Hey everybody, this is Team The Lost Prophecy, and I'm Divizzle, and we have here,
Asama
And Quinn again.
and this is a week 3 of Cardfight Tuesdays. So this week we decided to switch it up with the clans a little bit. So Asama's using,
OTT.
and Quinn's using,
A great nature deck that's probably not going to work out.
and we'll
It just
see.
might not. No. I'm so serious about that.
I mean, you got a couple good cards for it.
A
A couple good cards,
Alright.
and we'll see how this fight works out.
I don't. Alright, you know what? Whatever. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I don't even like it. No.
Put back 3.
Whole hand.
Damn.
Damn,
Damn, dude, what happened?
I don't even know.
you might want to get a good shuffle.
You might need a power shuffle. That's just my saying.
Good.
See what this goes. So, I may have picked back up the same cards.
You're pretty salty.
So, I may have picked back up the same cards.
Do you have a 1?
Yeah, I do. I'm good.
I'm solid.
Do you have a 1?
Yeah.
Alright, let the card fight begin.
Turn first.
Go ahead. Just.
Oh, you want me to go? I don't like how I need to play this, but.
Oh.
I'm fine with that.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay, that worked out. So, that's weird.
Enjoying the cards?
Yeah, I'm reading them. I know what they do. I'm just having a problem picking a rock. You know what? Whatever. Just whatever. Oh, I'm a liar. I'm a rod dad. Damn it. You know what? Oh, fine. I'm gonna put the door right there. So.
Take.
Oh,
Check.
hello.
Draw trigger.
Wow, he saw that coming.
Draw. Ew. Oh God, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to tell you something unfortunate.
Oh.
I'm gray locked. Skill.
Draw. Probably just wasted trigger. Look, see?
We doing this.
Wasting triggers, ain't.
That's
Damn
it.
right.
Wasting triggers, ain't. That's 3 criticals.
Yes, but at least I got what I needed. We doing this. Only for a turn though. 15.
No god. There goes my grade too.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. Should've got it.
A double
Should have.
grade lock.
11.
5.
15.
Take.
Yeah, I'm boned.
Same draw. Oh, side face. I don't even like it. Play. 18.
No god.
Heal trigger. Heal. Power here. 19.
Code block. What am I blocking? Just take the draw. Oh, come on. Fuck me a second. Well, I'm stuck. 15.
Take.
That heal trigger, that's crazy power there.
Check.
16.
Oh my god. 10. Stand draw. Oh god. School your skill. I want to play this. Play. Skill.
Last two. So last. Oh,
Nice.
Oh, damn.
oh, gee, I wish I had a full field.
12.
Ooh. Out of my vanguard.
22.
Hit me.
Check. Ooh, yay. Something decent.
Foul again. Draw.
Shit. Go ahead.
go. Now it's called recovering.
Hello.
And the thing is, I'm putting them all in the wrong places. I have no cards to help. You know what?
Are you gonna call the forces?
I wish.
Keep in mind, there's a lot of thinking when it comes to great nature.
I know, I hate that. Alright. I'll put it on this card. The effect, when it goes into the drop zone, I get to draw a card.
Which one? The one, the one behind the red?
Yeah, on him.
Oh, and okay.
So, I'll rest you. I'll put, oh, cool. Any my okay, I'll put the 4,000 there. Yeah, then it goes away. That's pretty cool. Okay, whatever you know. 17.
Take. I'll draw.
Alright. 10.
5.
This card. This card goes in here. Back to draw card.
Stay draw. I'm playing with this hand. Skill.
I should have kept it in there.
Don't like it at all. I'm here. Okay. What I want to do is. What am I doing here? Let's see what that is. 15. 24.
Hit me.
Check. Check. I'll draw. 18. I mean 17, sorry. Go ahead.
Great.
Oh, I know what's coming next. I know that.
I get to choose.
Game right now is 5-3. Am I right?
Yes, 5-3.
5-3. Can great nature make a comeback?
I can try. Damn it. No. Put you here. The break is active right now. Put you down. I'll put a calculator over here then. Alright. 23.
Two.
What's gonna happen now? 18.
Take that. Stand draw.
I don't even have any perfect odds in it.
Crazily enough.
I started off so bad.
Ooh. Can't put that for him. I didn't mean to draw that. I want to. Do I really want to?
Fix it, field.
Yeah. Okay.
So we fix it, field.
Oh, sorry.
It's cool.
So with that. Okay.
This video's going a lot slower.
Attack. 13. Skill.
5.
I don't even have no any attacks. That's crazy.
14. I'm 24. Sorry.
2.
Check. Check. 15.
X.
Go ahead.
Alright. That's what I have to get down. Okay, let's see what we do here. 18. So then I got
10.
15 and then I got
Hello. Yeah, chipped. 10.
23.
Take.
Let me make sure I read this right.
I swear I'm about to get frauded.
Okay.
Check.
Okay. Hang on, let me make sure I read this right. Oh, look at that. Alright. Okay. So put you in the drop zone. And you out. Okay.
That's crazy. One sec.
Now if I'm right, during your end phase, when the student is put to the drop zone. Oh, that was that. Okay, that wasn't during my end phase, alright.
That's it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Stand drop. I'm gonna do something about this. Skill. Go to the soul. Powder.
Yeah, look at the top card.
Check.
I'm not even mad at it.
Yep.
Play. You support us, 15 rear guard.
Yeah, that's not happening, man. Top 10.
24 vanguard.
That's a death. Block till the end. 1. That's a death. Okay.
Power heal.
It's not doing his Mega Blast.
I was just about to do it too.
I am such a terrible Great Nature player.
And that's the game, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep. I guess we'll see what happens in the next video.
I'll fix it.
See you guys later.